Mediterranean, all that beautiful balsamic and olive oil. Get everything coated. All of this, it smells incredible up in here. Mix all those salts and peppers up. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more salt, dash more pepper, mix it up, then we're good to go. Okay, let's get some of this juice inside this potato. Don't forget about your potato, everybody. Get some of these juices, take tomato, get some of that onion in there. A little bit on this layer, a little bit on that layer. Let's not leave anything out. Right? We'll put our potato, and we'll pour everything around it like that. We'll just arrange that. It's beautiful like that. We want to showcase our potato going in the oven. Okay, now while we're waiting for our beautiful Mediterranean roasted Corgetti to cook off in the oven, we are here with a beautiful carrot to start off our next recipe, the spicy peanut sesame Corgetti with the Super Bros.